In this video I'm installing this new little Pico left hand point to complete the oval.
Welcome to Poppy's Trains.
Today from Poppy's Trains. While in Melbourne I picked up this left hand point. Now this new point is going in here, so I'm going to have to cut the rails so I can fit it in. Well, I've got that little bit of track cut using the Dremel. Now I've got to work out where the other end of the point goes. Sorry when I put my phone up on the tripod to film some of the work, this little house got in the way. Now cutting the rail with the Dremel is always fun. And now the fun bit is getting the rail joiners in. And lining it up so it fits. Well, that's now in place. Next thing is to run a train and see how it goes. Oh, Smoky Joe seems to be doing a good job. Well, the GG1 seems to be working okay. When I was in Melbourne and bought the left hand point, I think I probably should have bought a right hand point and replaced this one. This one will have to do for now until I can afford to go out and buy some more points. Well, that's got that bit done anyway. I've still got a little bit of work to do to get the track to run reliably, but that's all for now. Keep well, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you love trains.